Hi, Bill. So, as I'm looking more on how to grade the daily maths, it's going to be in the future really important that you assign the daily math, or else I'm going to have to release the grades, which in the beginning is fine. But what will happen is I already sent this to you, but um, I can send it to you again. You have this copy of the digital morning math, and basically, this file is all of the morning maths created for the kids. So it's for a couple grade levels. So we're on number 53. So once you have this, which you have in your Google Drive or should have in your Google Drive, say tomorrow's we're doing, I'll assign tomorrow's. So we're going to be doing 54 tomorrow. You press on the link, you press the link, and it's going to bring you, and it's going to say, would you like to make a copy? You're going to say, yes, make a copy. It's going to bring you to here, and this is going to be their morning math. So you'll have to rename it number 8, and you can put the date. I usually change it here. Okay, so here you go. Then you're going to go to settings, and you're just going to make sure that you like all of your settings. So usually I'm not on my computer with my St. Catherine's email, so usually there's going to be for required to sign in. You can decide if you only want people with a St. Catherine's email, or you can choose anyone. That's not showing up here, but that will be one. So then you want to go to presentation, and then to make it easier, you could keep it release immediately after submission or later after manual review. It doesn't matter. But that is there. Then you would save it. You then would keep it, okay? And it will save. This will then save in your Google Forms. So then when you go to your Google Classroom, this is your home page, you're going to go to Classwork, Create, Quiz Assignment, Daily Math, number 7 was today's. I'm not going to release it, but you want to exit out. You want to press Add. Go to your Google Drive. So you created it already, so it saves automatically in your Google Drive, and then you'll find Daily Math number 7. You'll add it. You can put instructions, and then you would assign it. So that's how you assign the daily math. Now, how you grade it is a little bit different. So this is what your classwork looks like. So let's look at yesterday's daily math. You can't do this right now because I have released this to them. So I don't think you can, but I'll show you what I would do. So this is yesterday's, or I'll do, what I'll do is I'll go 2 days ago. I'll do daily math number 4. So 21 people turned it in. So here on this page, I can see that 21 people did daily math number 4. So it says import grades. So if you decide to release their grades right away and you press import grades and import, their grades will show here. And you can save it. It will save. If you want to turn it in, so you want the kids to see their grade, you then press return and it would send them their grade, however you want to do it. If you would like to see what problems kids are getting wrong, so let's see, number 6, I did it this way. 24, so everyone did it yesterday, it looks like, unless someone did it twice. So you have 24. So it doesn't say import grades. So this is why having you send it out to your kids is really important. So yesterday's was daily math number 6. When I am able to administer it to them, you can see the responses. So 47 people did it. So it's showing you, and these are all the scores. So I'm going to press release scores. If I release these scores, it's going to send it to them. And then when you go back to your class, I'll refresh it. Well, here are their scores. So you would have to copy these down in some sort of book, I guess. I haven't totally figured that out. I would assume that one day it will show up here, but maybe it doesn't. We would have to wait. So I think that the most important is to keep it so that it imports the grades right away. But it will be important that you start to assign the daily math yourself, because then it's linked to your account, so you can go back and look at the data like I was just able to. If it's always on mine, it will be really hard, but you can do it by individual. So this is Sophia's. She got a couple wrong, but you can see which ones she got right or wrong. And you can literally go through every single person's. So that's why it's a little bit overwhelming when it's all the fourth grade. But that's just one example. I hope this helped.